Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you another come pack with me. Some of the clothes are a bit similar to the one that I featured in a recent come pack with me, but there are some other bits as well. So we're going to Snowdonia in Wales for a week, and I'm going with my husband and we're going to climb Snowdon, so I need items for that and gear. And then we're supporting our friend on a 3-day Ultraman, which is a crazy event with ridiculous amounts of swimming, running and cycling, and I've done a few videos of that, and I will include some bits of it in a holiday vlog that I'm going to do. So I need a lot of sort of outdoor clothing, comfy, warm. Well, we don't know what the weather's going to be like because it does change quite a bit when you're sort of in Snowdonia. One minute it can be hot, the next minute it's a bit nippy. So I've got to cover that as well. So I hope you enjoy it. Right, so let's go through my extensive amount of packing. I always tend to pack too much, so I might have to reduce it a little. Gone crazy again. So, as I said in the introduction, we're going to be outside a lot of on this this break, so I need to make sure I'm comfortable and warm. So I wrote myself a little list, and I've ticked all that off. So I shall start over here with what I'll do. I'll tell you where I got the things from. I'm not going to necessarily say how much they are, and I'm a UK size 8 to 10, so most of this stuff is 8 to 10, or I think in Primark that's extra small. I think the majority of my wardrobe is from Primark, surprise surprise. So let's start with this one here. So it's like a bag in a coat in a bag. So in my pocket it's got this little bag that it folds up into, and it doesn't crease. But really lightweight and squishes away, so that'll be great for when we climb Snowdon possibly. Or if the weather's not so good, I've got here just a black North Face rain jacket, just a little raincoat which will keep me, which is waterproof if I need that. And then I've also got for the outdoor days just a black gilet. Going down here, we have a new number of hoodies and sweatshirts, all of which are from Primark, surprise, surprise. I love these colours, I love these peachy colours. Really like that one. That's got a little logo on it, keep smiling. So I've got that peachy one there. I've gone for a neutral one, which is actually a zip up, and that'll go with absolutely everything. Lovely new blue aqua colour, absolutely love that. And then the one up there is just a sweatshirt. I'm taking an umbrella because we're going to be outside a bit, just in case it's a little bit rainy. Up here I've got my kit. I'm a bit unsure what I'm going to wear when we do climb Snowdon, because I'm not sure if we're going to be doing it at pace or just leisurely. So I've got there a sports top. I got that from a charity shop. There'll be a charity shop haul coming up at some point with that in it, if you've not already seen it. So there's that, and then I've got some Primark joggers and leggings, so I'll pair that possibly up with that. And then for the day that I go and do the run, if I do the run with Neil, well, part of, clearly I'm not going to be doing 2 marathons, but if I do maybe up to about 10k possibly, because he'll be running a lot slower than he normally runs, so I'll be okay pace wise hopefully with him on that. So I've got a running vest, running leggings and some socks and running pants. And then that stuff there, if you're a runner yourself or you get blisters, this stuff is great. It's almost like a Vaseline for your feet, so it's an anti-chafing thing, and it's body glide, and for me it's absolutely brilliant because I do tend to get blisters when I run. So I just pop a bit of that on the bits where where my trainers rub, and yeah, solves the problem. A few pairs of jeans. I've got a dark denim, a grey black and a light denim. They're all sort of ankle grazer length. Yeah, I don't think any of them are full. Yeah, actually they're longer ones, and those two are ankle grazers, and also they look quite nice if you roll them up. Then I wasn't sure what to do t-shirt wise and vest top wise, so I've got a selection of colours that hopefully everything will mix and match. So I've got this blue with the pink. Got that from Primark last year, and that goes really nice with the denims. And then I've got a black t-shirt there, just with a little heart on it. Got that from Wish. And then this is what I bought from Primark this year. It's a long sleeve t-shirt. Got that from the children's section. And then this one's a new one, again from Primark, surprise, surprise. And it's a bit of a, it's not cropped, but it's a lot shorter than normal t-shirt. So I thought that'd look nice with the black jeans over there. And it's got a little bit more of a cap sleeve. And then just two little vest tops that I can wear either underneath the sweatshirt or the hoodies. I suppose underneath a t-shirt, but they're just to keep me warm if it's a bit chilly. PJs need to be a little bit more, not quite my normal comfy long trousers, because I'm with Alan, obviously need to be a little bit more appealing. So I've got two little pairs of shorts and then two little vest tops, and they all sort of mix and match in. And then I've got two bras, got black and white, so they'll go under everything, t-shirt and hoodie wise. Pants, I've got pink, white and black. Got quite a few pairs of socks. I've got some little sort of ankle, like trainer socks to go with the ankle grazer jeans, and then I've got these blue sort of colours to go with the longer denim jeans as well. Always like to take a lint roller as well to get off any little bits of debris off the black clothes that I've got. I've got a bag full there of chargers and tripod bits, that sort of stuff, because I will be doing either some vlogs or some filming. I think Neil actually wants me to do a bit of filming of the actual event, so he's got some footage from that. And then I've got, as you know, I always have these packed up. This, I'm very lucky that I've been able to afford to set up a whole new set of toiletries and makeup. And it just means every time I go on holiday now, I can just grab them. I call them my grab bags. And honestly, it saves me so much time. That's where most of my time goes, is packing toiletries and beauty stuff. So I've just been able to get them this morning, take out bits that I possibly won't need, things like eyeshadow palettes, which I know I won't be wearing any eyeshadow, a few makeup brushes and that sort of thing. The only thing is you have to remember when you get back to replenish anything that you might have used up. And because I've used these before, they're tried and tested, so it means I don't forget anything. It's got hair stuff. I always tend to forget toothpaste, so no, got that in there. And in that one is things like hairspray, hairbrushes, wipes, other bits and bobs. And in the smaller one there, that's got all my makeup and makeup brushes. And a pair of sunglasses in a nice protective case. Both of those are Primark as well. And then footwear. Can you believe I've only actually got 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. Normally I have a very big long line of shoes, but I've got to be sensible on this one. So running trainers. These are my tried and tested lovely running trainers. I could actually do a bit of walking in these if I want to, but I've always used this type. They're Adidas Sequence. I've run in Adidas Sequence for probably the last 12 years. And these ones are actually quite nice because they're sort of lilac-y and grey and coral. I've got some boot socks there to go with the boots that I'll talk about in a minute. 2 pairs of those, depending on what colour trousers I'm wearing on the day. I'm going to take some coat hangers just in case the hotel's not got many coat hangers. We're staying in quite a, I don't know if we're going in a B&B or if it's a hotel, but it is quite a basic sort of place that we're going to because it's right near the start of the event that Neil's going to be doing, so I'm not sure what amenities they're going to have. Got a massive box of plasters there. That random thing there is to go on one of my toes to stop any rubbing. I've got a little thing that keeps rubbing on some shoes. Then here, this bag's brilliant. It's a proper boot bag, like a Wellington boot bag. It folds up. Next up, these boots. These are Salomon, and I got these from Decathlon. They're actually Gore-Tex, which means they are, I'm not sure if they're waterproof or water resistant, but they certainly keep the water out. Got nice big grips, absolutely filthy because I've worn them a lot. So I know they're tried and tested and don't give me any blisters. And then of course with them being a boot, they're nice and padded round there, so that'll give me some support on my ankles as we're going up Snowdon. And then I'm just going to take these 2 pairs of pumps. These Converse go everywhere with me. They're just so comfortable and versatile because they've got the denim on and then the pinks. They just match loads of clothes that I've got. I have actually got a couple of other pairs of Converse, but I tend to be drawn to these ones all the time for some reason. And then these little glittery ones I got from Matalan out the children's section. And they're actually a little bit too big, which is quite surprising for me. I tend to buy shoes that are too small, and they're only a 4. But I really like those, and they're very versatile to go with everything as well. And then I've pulled out two rucksacks, again from Primark. They're like matching ones. So I'll probably take the bigger one when we go up Snowdon, because I'll put my coat or jacket in there, as well as water bottle and some snacks. And then the smaller one I'll use day to day once we've done the Snowdon climb. And then I'm just going to take a few little snacks and bits and bobs, just so we've got some stuff on the van. I've got a big pack there of 12 bottles of water. That was just from Iceland for £2. That's such good value. A roll of kitchen towel, which I know is a bit random, but always like to have some kitchen towel with me. I've got masks, plenty of, and then a few snacks here. We've got some little jammy Dodgers, as you know, I love those. I've got Alan some licorice all sorts for the journey. I'm going to have these, the Myomes. He's actually a vegetarian and they've got gelatine in them, so he can't eat those, but I can. Then I've got these. I'm really looking forward to trying these. In fact, I might get a pack out now. Just little mini packs of little packs of mini digestives. Absolutely love McVitie's chocolate digestive biscuits. So these are my idea of heaven. Big bag of minstrels, of course some skinny whips, and then I've got a big loaf of sorine, which is great for sort of snacking. But we will buy other snacks and bits and bobs as we're there, but that's just some bits to keep us sort of ticking over. And then I'm going to travel in these clothes. I think I actually travelled in that when I went to Belinda Aquadrome. It's the only time I wore it. And then these green, again, these are sort of ankle grazer trousers, well, jeans. They are out the kids section at Primark. So really a lot of these clothes are very similar to what I took to Belinda Aquadrome, with a few newbies dropped in and a bit of sports kit. So that's all of the packing. I'm now going to pop that into the suitcase and get ready to travel. Thank you very much for watching that one. If you've enjoyed it, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe you might consider hitting that little button now. And of course, hit the bell notification, and that reminds you when I upload videos. A lot of people's bell notifications, YouTube for some reason has unticked them. So you might want to check yours if you want to be ticked to mine. Does that make sense? Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.